With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, question is colostrum should be option A given to the body as it is rich in antibodies. Option B discarded as it contains high concentration of antibodies. C discarded as it is without nourishment, and D given as a stimulus sucking. Okay, so first of all we need to know about what is colostrum. The colostrum is an initial milk which is produced by the female produced, especially we are talking about the mammals. The female produced milk in starting days, they have a huge amount of antibody and nourishment, that means nutrients. Okay, and it is very important to give the young one for the development of the immunity. So this colostrum help in the development of the immunity. It is a viscous yellow color fluid, and it is a given to the body because it is rich in antibodies. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, so option B, it cannot be discarded, so this is a wrong. Option C, discarded as it without nourishment, this is also wrong. Gives as is stimulates sucking. No, we will give this in case of calf by the sucking method. Okay, or in human baby also by the sucking method. Not, it cannot stimulate initially the sucking method. Using sucking method, this colostrum can be drank by the young one. Okay, so correct answer is option A. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.